Should I speak to her?
What would you say?
Oh, that it would all work itself out. Do you remember how she was about my staying here? It is not possible and I cannot consider—
Shut up, Sally!
What?
It's not funny!
Well, it seems nothing amuses you anymore. It was such fun today with Bobby and Victor. They laughed at everything, especially the thought of you and me in a cottage at the end of the lane. They found that hysterical. They are waiting for me this very moment to rehearse my numbers, so I really must go.
Well, the truth is you're going a lot further than the club.
I am?
We're going home. My home, Pennsylvania.
You're joking.
I'm gonna sell this, and the money should get us as far as Paris, and then I'll cable home for some steamship fare.
What are you talking about?
We've got to leave Berlin as soon as possible. Tomorrow.
But we love it here.
Wake up, Sally. The party's over. It was lots of fun, but now it's over. How can we live here? How can we raise a family?
But it's America. The ants are running away to America.
We're not running away. We're going home.
Well, that's fine for you, but what about me, my career?
You've got a new career.
But I can work at the club for several months at least, and then... Cliff, in November, I want the world for our baby. All the most elegant, expensive things.
We'll talk about it tomorrow. On the train.
Cliff, we can't just uproot our lives that quickly.
Oh no? Give me 1 hour. Sit down and don't move. Or better yet, start packing. There's plenty to do. Call the club. Tell them goodbye. Pack your things, we're going home.
Pennsylvania, you mean, to live on your mummy's charity.
I'll get a job.
The stock market.
I'll find something.
Well, maybe, but this is sure.
This? What the hell is this? You keep talking about this as if it really existed. When are you gonna wake up and realize that the only way you got this job, or any job, is by sleeping with someone?
Will you shut up, Cliff?
God, all this talk about your career. When are you gonna face the truth about yourself?
Maybe I will, but don't you think it's your turn?
Sally?
Clifford, join me for a drink?
Not now, Ernst.
I've been trying to reach you at Fräulein Schneider's. I have another urgent task for you.
Sorry.
This time I paid 150 marks.
The answer is no.
What is wrong, Clifford? Are you upset with me?
I am?
Is it because of politics? If you were German, you'd understand.
Goodbye, Ernst.
Cliff! Wait. It's very urgent, this task, yeah? I paid 200 marks.
Go to hell!
It's most upsetting, Clifford. We are friends, huh? So very fond of you. I've sent many new students.
Yeah. Your Nazi friends, eager to improve their English. What an idiot I've been.
I know you need some money. So? Must be something else, eh? Was it because of that Jew at the party?
Thank you! Oh, and now, meine Damen und Herren, Mesdames et Messieurs, ladies and gentlemen, the Kit Kat Club is so happy to welcome back an old friend. I give you the toast of Mayfair. Fräulein Sally Burns.
What could be sitting alone in your room? Come hear the music play. Life is a cabaret, you'll chum. Come to the cabaret. Put down the knitting, the book and the broom. Time for a holiday. Life is a cabaret, you'll chum. Come to the cabaret. Come taste the wine. Come hear the band. Come blow a horn. Permitting some prophet of doom to wipe every smile away. Life is a cabaret, you'll chum. Come to the cabaret. I used to have a girlfriend known as Elsie, with whom I shared 4 sordid rooms in Chelsea. She wasn't what you'd call a blushing flower. As a matter of fact, she rented by the hour. The day she died, the neighbors came to snicker. Well, that's what comes of too much pills and liquor. But when I saw her laid out like a queen, she was the happiest corpse I'd ever seen. I think of Elsie to this very day. I remember how she turned to me and said, "What good is sitting alone in your room.